Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and triggering recovery. Save files, close apps, and make sure any BitLocker or firmware passwords are available. Then use Start, Power, Restart while holding Shift to jump to recovery options. This forces the system into the special menus instead of a normal boot. If that shortcut doesn't trigger, Power Cycle, force 3 failed boots to invoke automatic recovery. Once you reach recovery, you can continue to advanced options to get into firmware settings and BIOS-triggered safe environments. Once the recovery menu appears, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally UEFI firmware settings. This pathway hands control to the BIOS or UEFI. Select Restart and wait. The firmware interface will load. Use the keyboard or mouse depending on your motherboard's interface. Navigate to the Boot, Startup, or Security tab to locate Diagnostic, Safe Boot, or Minimal Boot settings. Make changes deliberately. Enable the Safe option or set the device to boot to a recovery partition. Save changes and exit to apply them. After configuring firmware, save changes and exit so the PC restarts into the chosen safe or diagnostic mode. You should see a minimal boot or recovery environment. Run your repairs or diagnostics there. If the system refuses safe boot, enter BIOS again and choose Load Setup Defaults, then reapply only the necessary safe settings. This clears unintended conflicts. If BIOS access is blocked or corrupted, use a USB recovery drive or Windows recovery media to force the environment. One key tip: check Secure Boot and BitLocker. They commonly block recovery access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.